You look almost like your dad. I'm kind of tired. You look like you're a little tired.
Say Papa. Papa. You look dazed.
Hi, he's tired.
Say balloon. Balloon.
Say, where's the light? Where's the light?
You guys make me.
Where's the light? Cotton? He's exhausted. Light, 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 light.
You got ball. Ball? Oh my god.
Bum. He's tired.
I want a baby like him. He's such a
Wait a second, you're not getting married.
But Daddy said I'm probably gonna get married, so I'm gonna get a baby like him.
What?
She keeps saying she's not getting married. I said, I don't think so.
Auntie, where are you?
He's in the room playing. He's in the Parker's room. Okay. Oh,
He's such a
he's wide, you know.
He is kind of wide.
It's something he probably won't bend the
I don't know, because I brought it just because I didn't know like who would want to use it.
He's probably as wide as David is right now.
It could be.
Yeah.